Okay, really fast, I just want to talk about some of the revise and edit questions that you might see on your test tomorrow. Some of the things that we've gone over are how we change the Y to I and add IES when I'm talking about more than one thing, when something is plural. A good way to know if it is spelled correctly is get a dictionary. If you're at home, I believe at the top of your Chromebooks, you can click this little button right here. And not on mine, but on yours, there should be a little red icon, and that's an online dictionary. And it will tell you how to spell the words correctly if you're not sure if it's spelled correctly. Another thing I want to talk big about is using comma and, comma but, comma or for a compound sentence. So remember, if it's a compound sentence and I need comma and, that means I have a complete sentence on the before the end and a complete sentence after the end. If I'm just using a compound subject or a compound predicate, I'm only adding and because I have two subjects or two predicates. So let's look here at this example, and this is on your Google Classroom to practice also. It says you are ready to add the flour, comma, you must be very careful not to make a flour dust mess. So on here, I would want to put comma but. So you notice right here, we have comma but. This sentence, when you're ready to add the flour, it's not a complete sentence. I don't know what it wants me to do. So if you only need to add and or but without the comma, we would only add and or let me find one for an example, sorry. So like this one right here. My brother makes a wish and he blows out the candles. Okay, my brother's doing two actions. He's making a wish and he's blowing out the candles. I don't need to put a comma and because I'm not combining two complete sentences. I'm only combining two actions with one subject. So I wouldn't need a comma. I would only need an and. So just kind of go through these and do some extra practice. And then the other thing I wanted to talk about was when we use the correct past or present tense. So I was going to the store or I were going to the store. She ate the banana. She eat the banana. So just those words, sometimes that can be, or she are going home, or she is going home. Sometimes we just have to talk those words out so that we know what the correct past or present tense might be.